Ever feel like your Propstream exports are a chaotic jumble of owner information? Today, we're diving deep into cleaning those exported owner details from Propstream, transforming them from a mess into marketing gold. This is your roadmap to accurate, standardized owner information, ensuring your campaigns hit their mark every time. First, let's tackle inconsistent naming. Open your exported data in a spreadsheet program. We'll focus on columns like owner first name and owner last name. Our names sometimes written as John Smith Jr., and other times just John Smith. Our first step is standardization. Look for patterns. If you see Jr., SR, or Roman numerals, we can create a rule to consistently place them after the last name, or remove them if your marketing doesn't require them. For example, you can use a function to search for these suffixes and adjust them then. Let's address those stray honorifics like Mr. or Mrs. We'll use another method to find and remove these at the beginning of names. Now let's move on to addresses. Inconsistent street abbreviations are a common culprit. Cent, street, avenue, ave. We need to make these uniform. Go through your address columns, identify all variations of street types. We'll then use a simple find and replace function to standardize them all to one format, like street for all street entries and avenue for all avenue entries. Phone numbers can also be erratic. You might have them with dashes, parentheses, or as a solid string of digits. We want a clean, consistent format, such as XXXXXXXXXX. For all your phone numbers, apply a formatting rule in your spreadsheet to achieve this. By following these steps, a circumflex euros, standardizing names, cleaning up address abbreviations, and formatting phone numbers a circumflex euros, you'll transform your Propstream exports into a pristine dataset, ready for powerful and effective communication. Your marketing campaigns will thank you for it.